Hey, hi, welcome to JP Tarot. And right now I'm going to do Will He Reconcile reading. Okay, so you need to choose from the three piles given here, and you have your pile number one, this white stone, pile number two, this black stone, and pile number three, this red stone. Okay, so pause the video, choose your pile, and then come back to the reading. Will he reconcile? Okay, thought about your person, choose your pile, and then come back to the reading. So those who choose this white stone, you are up. Will your person reconcile? Okay. So you have Joker, I mean Magician. Okay, you have Magician, you have King of Swords, you have Ace of Wands, you have Queen of Wands, you have Nine of Pentacles, you have Eight of Wands, you have Nine of Cups. So will your person reconcile? Lots of good cards, lots of bad cards, so it's a mix. So I can say it's a maybe. Let's clarify. Okay, so in the past you were passing through a magic moment. Okay, you were in love, you were having very good meetings and link ups with your person. Okay, you were happy in this relationship, but right now you are in a very defensive mood and you are seeking some clarity over a situation. Might be something wrong gone in this relationship, or something was you thought was kept from you. There was something hidden from you. Might be that might be the case, because when we seek clarity, it needs something been hidden or something wrong happened in a relationship. Okay, so you need clarity over on that situation. Why did it happen? Okay, what you people think about and what your person think about you. So might be you were, if taking the whole perspective from your person's view, that how they view, because they are ultimately, you are asking how will they reconcile. Might be they think that they were very happy in this relationship, but right now they are seeking some clarity. But what they think about the situation is that there is still passion in this relationship. They are still passionate about you. Okay, they have huge passion for you. They think what they think about you is they feel like you are their other half, their queen or their king. Okay, whatever they think as you as the better half of them. Okay, so about this situation, relationship, they think that this relationship is like in a singlehood like mood. Okay, because they think that both of you are showing that they are single, though you both are in relationship. Still you are seeing that you are happy, single, well established. You have built your finances, you are very established, you are eligible, but you are single. You are not showing that you are in relationship, because there is might be this, due to this issue somebody wants clarity from the other person. So there is a emotional or mental competition going on in this situation, which is leading to show off, and both are showing off that they are happy without them and they are well in their finances. They are not dependent on anybody, or in this relationship they are showing that they are very well off. Okay, so what is needed and advised in this situation is, what you can do is to communicate with your person. If your person is very much, because this card also says that your person might be verbally very much sharp tongue right now. They might be not in good terms with their tongue with you. Okay, so though you are advised to make communication with your person, but respect yourself. If they have a healthy boundary, then you need to talk to them. Otherwise, maintain your distance. I don't know what to say in this situation, because I am nobody to advise on your relationship regarding this communication, because communication ultimately is the soul of a relationship. Once communication dies, relationship becomes stalemate or even breaks up. So I am just going to tell you, I'm just telling you that if your person doesn't respect you, hold on for some time. Hold on this communication. First, you can just sense their mood. You can call them once. If they are misbehaving, don't call them for longer time. And even if, since you are their wish, they will contact you ultimately. Don't get offended. They will ultimately reach you, because they are showing off. Might be they want clarity. They are showing off. If you have done nothing, you have not done anything wrong, you need to stay your ground. Ultimately, this wish will of yours and your person, because relationship is a mutual thing, will ultimately become fruitful and will yield some result. But for right now, communication is needed. If offense is going on, there is no card to hold on, but I will advise, I will suggest, then hold on once for a single call. I am saying, what you can call them once for any sort of clarity. If they are not taking that, pause, give a pause. Might be they will realize that they should need to talk. They were wrong to stop you from clarifying things, because they want that clarification, or there is some misunderstanding. There is some misunderstanding which is need to be clear, and you were trying to clear the air, and you were trying to clarify and end that misunderstanding, which your person didn't give you chance. Then they will ultimately realize and they will come back. Okay, so there is a pause needed. I don't know what I'm sensing, I'm saying, because haste is not a solution for anything. That's why it's a maybe, because the person might be in a very fightful mood. They are showing off. You want communication. Might be your person is not giving you clarity, or you are not giving clarity. Communication is needed, but verbal offense could happen. So pause. I will suggest a pause, but not to cut off or move on from the relationship, because your person wants you as their person, their life partner, the other half. They see you as their other half. They have huge passion for you. So it is advisable to have a pause rather than break this relationship, because there is no breakup card. There is nothing wrong in this reading. Nothing wrong. All positive card. This is Magician. Only this card says that they want clarity. Otherwise, they have passion. They see you as their other half. They are well in their finances, happy and cheerful. They want to communicate. You want to communicate. You are their wish. They are your wish. So reconciliation outcome card says that you will ultimately get reconciliation with your person, but for the time being it may be because you need time to sort out this. You need time to sort out this misunderstanding. For that you need communication, but if your person is not ready to communicate, this communication will not yield any result. So you will have to wait for some time, might be, and this passion and emotion as a other half will, and this stability will lead to fulfillment of this wish. This outcome card is the best card, which is giving the affirmation of this relationship to turn out into a happy ending. So you will have to wait. Only time is the factor in this reading, and some smartness is the factor to not to mess up with the person who is right now angry with you on the ground of clarity wanted from their part on some misunderstanding created by either some outside influences or because of non-communication or some very less communication or something that you felt like you will tell after some time, but they caught it before you told them. That might be the case. So you need to look into the matter and you have patience. Whoever have the need to clarify in order to bring this relationship on track is advised to have some patience, because communication might be there was low communication or no communication from their part, which led to misunderstanding. So they have that responsibility on their shoulder to clarify clear the air, to clarify matters, things, in order to get the relationship on the right track. So patience, pause is the, and pause, communication. But if not situation under control, then a pause, and then after that you will, after single call, you don't get positive talk with your person, then have a pause. He will ultimately call you because you are their wish. So this is advised. For time being it's a maybe, but the outcome is a wish fulfillment card, so you will get your wish fulfilled, but it's a matter of time. Okay, so right now might be 9 months. Okay, because outcome card is 9, so it might be, it will take 9 months. You will have to persevere. You will have to have patience. Okay, so pile number 1, that's all for you. Hope you liked it. If you liked it, please do like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell to get the notification of my future readings. Please do like, share, subscribe. Okay, thank you. That's all for you. Pile number 2, please do like, share, subscribe. Okay, so those who chose this black stone, you are up. Will your person reconcile? Pile number 2, will your person reconcile? Okay, so will your person reconcile? You have Magician in reverse, you have 7 of Swords, you have Knight of Pentacles, you have 3 of Wands, you have Queen of Cups, you have Knight of Swords, and you have Queen of Swords. Okay, so in the past, though you were in relationship, somebody, either you or your partner, somebody was not putting in effort in this relationship. They were hiding right now they were not putting in effort, and right now they are hiding something. Why they were not putting effort is still hidden from you. Okay, but there is a stability in their thought towards you. They are stable in their mind. Whatever the situation may be, whatever they think about you, that's a stable feeling for you. what they think that you are. Might be in some cases that they think you need to decide among someone. Some people might be your person and someone else. Okay, might be there is some pressure from your family to choose someone else over your partner, or you have some potential partners. Might be more than one person has proposed you or something like that. You have two potential partner. Might be your person is expecting from you and you are needed to make a choice. Okay, so whoever you are asking about thinks that you need to make a choice between something, your family and them, or your some potential proposed person from your family part. Somebody, your family members have proposed someone as to be your potential partner, and you need to make choice that whether you are going to stand your ground, that you want your person, or you are going to bend behind them, behind that decision of your parents. So you need to decide. They would think that you need to stand your ground. You need to make a choice. Okay, so they are thinking that you are in an indecisive mood. You need to make a choice. You need to choose from. Okay, or you might be in a third party situation where your person is needed to make choice between you and their person, whoever that person is, their wife or their any other interest. Your person might be hiding that they have already an affair or they are already married. So that's why they were just in a they were just in a fling with you. They were just having fun with you. Might be, don't take it otherwise. Some people like to time pass. Okay, so they were just going movies and meeting you just for fun. Might be. So right now they are hiding that they are in this third party situation, or they think that you are in third party situation, and that you were not putting in effort and you were hiding that you have this third party situation. If this reading you are asking about your person, so solely from their perspective that you were not putting in effort, you were hiding things, you are in third party situation, their emotion for you is stable, they see you as they have huge emotion for you, and they have huge emotion for you, but you are still in confusion, and that's why they are only stalking you. They are not talking you, or they are just spying on you. Whatever the front scenario will be or might be, but they are still stalking on you. They are spying on you because they want some clarity. They need clarity over the situation. They are not happy with the situation. So will your person marry you? No, your person is not going to. Oh, I'm sorry. I am talking about will your person reconcile. Okay, so pardon me. And will your person reconcile? So your person, there is lot of negativity in this relationship. Somebody is hiding, not putting. Previously they hided something, and that's why the reason of hiding, the reason of not putting in effort was this something that is being hidden. That might be a third party situation. Okay, though there is a stable sense of feeling and emotion for you or from your part towards your person, the whoever is hiding this situation, this indecisiveness is on whomever's part. The other one is asking for clarity. They want, though they are just in this, clarify me, otherwise I am out of this relationship. And they are just, might be they are in talk with you, but not in that manner they used to be, and they are spying on you, or they are totally not in communication. Since this is a hiding card, that means you are in communication, but things are hidden. Somebody is hiding. Despite their meeting, they are not behaving in the right kind of manner they need to do to have a clarity and healthy relationship. So somebody is hiding, so other person is expecting some clarity and they are not getting that, so they are spying on the other person. Why they did? They felt like their person was not putting in effort, and why they are feeling right now that their person is hiding something. Why they feel that there is some third party situation in this situation, though they have stable feeling for their person, though they have huge emotion towards their person. Something is hidden which needs to be clarified. So in this relationship, will your person marry you? No, your person is not going to marry you until and unless you are not going to give them clarity. Clarity is needed in this relationship. The outcome card is wanting clarity. So you need to give clarity to your person, or your person needs to give clarity to you in order to survive this relationship, to survive. Okay. So will your person reconcile? For the time being, it's no, because clarity, after that clarity came in this relationship, only reconciliation could happen. Okay, so that's your reading, pile number 2. Hope you liked it. If you liked it, please do like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell to get the notification of my future readings. Please do like, share, subscribe. Okay, thank you. That's all for you. Pile number 3, those who chose this red stone, you are up. Will your person reconcile? Okay. Will your person reconcile? So, in the past, you guys were having success in this relationship. You were very happy, but currently somebody has moved on from the situation because they are not satisfied. They are emotionally not satisfied in this relationship, so they have moved on. Though they have stable feelings for their partner, but still they have moved on because they felt like success in the past. But right now something happened which made them dissatisfied. Despite this stable emotion, they have moved on from their person. How they see their partner is that their person is in the indecisive mode. They need to make a choice between them or their parents or someone. They need to make choice. In the last pile, 3 of Wands came. That means third party situation. Here there is no clarity about third party situation. There is but a mutual or exclusive option is there. Either one will have to choose their family or the person or the job or the person. Mutually exclusive situation is there. Okay, there was 2 situation which one can hold on. One can have the partner and third party also. There is no mutuality. One could hold that unhealthy situation or leave that unhealthy situation. It was upon them. But here one needs to decide. This is a mutual exclusive situation where one will have to decide between one for the time being, and they will have to, if their family are not in consent and they are disagreed upon the choice of the partner, they are not having agreement over your partner, that they don't want anybody out of the clan or class and race, that might be, or status, that might be the case, then you will have to stay. I will say, if you have loved someone, stand your ground, choose them, and try to convince your parents on the same time. Time will come then when this exclusive will become inclusive. Okay, they both will become family at the same time, on the same ground, under the same roof. Okay, so somebody needs to make choice because they feel that their person is their stability, their happy home. They are their home, their person. They feel that this relationship is a happy relationship, stable relationship. They want this person to make some choice. If that choice is made, this stability will be there. Still now there is stability, but this is a limbo situation. Once choice is made, this stability will remain forever, otherwise there can be some disaster. So what is advised is to reminisce your old days, to just remember old days, remember what wish and what wishes you what you were aspiring in this relationship, what promises you gave to your partner, and then make choice. Might be you have given so much promises to your partner, and now you are trying to bend in front, you are confused, you are thinking that you must bend in front of your family, because after all family is family. Then why you gave some promise to somebody? You were not supposed to do so, because you were not you were not such a strengthful person. If you are trying to bend in front of your family, why did you give some promise to somebody? You were not supposed to do so if you don't have that guts to face your family. Okay, so remember your promises, reminiscence the old days, remember the success you had with your partner, remember what you have, what stability you have inside for your partner. Remember that how stable this relationship is, then decide. Okay, then the outcome will be the best outcome. Then this offer will be for your partner. If you are seeing this video, you are advised to offer this stability to your partner. Tell them your stable emotion for them. Have this success in this relationship. Remember your past, build your future. Okay, throw out this confusion, because all cards out of 7, 6 are positive cards, great cards. Though this is dissatisfaction, but there is love. Okay, there is love. So will your person reconcile with you? Yes, your person is gonna reconcile with you, because they have all huge great emotions for you. They feel success in this relationship, though they are unsatisfied, but they love you and they have stable emotion for you. Though they are confused right now, they will ultimately take a great decision that will be beneficial in this relationship. They will ultimately choose you, because they are remembering that past, that promises they made to you. They are thinking about the past days they spent with you. They are thinking about the stability they have in this relationship, and ultimately they will offer you reconciliation, and they will offer you some stability. So since this is will he reconcile reading, I can't say that they will marry you, but there is a sense of marriage here. Okay, your person wants to marry you. Okay, so will your person reconcile? Yes, your person will reconcile with you. Okay, that's all for your. If you liked my reading, please do like, share, subscribe. Hit the notification bell to get the notification of my future readings. Please do like, share, subscribe. That's all for you. Pile number 3. Hope you liked it. Please do like, share, subscribe. Thank you.